Adicate. I'm showing you how to set up the 15 meter ignite here. Well, all the ignite model is the same. So it's upside line. The marker, positive, negative, indicate I like to have lower bar pressure, so I put it in the lower side of it. And the lower knot here gives you a little more room, but it doesn't really matter which one you put. And so there's extension. The inside line here, I put an extension here because I like a little bit more power. That's up to you. You can take this off if you the extension off if you don't like power. And just remember that when you connect to this extension line here that has the pigtail here that has the pulley on it. Never connect to that pigtail over there. Again, this is the right side. Now this kite's upside down right now, so right side and left sides are opposite. Again, just tension. And make sure that they're even on both sides. So the first knot on the left, first knot on the right. Any 4-line bar in the market would work for Adicates. Obviously, it'd be better if you use the Adicate. So that's it. That's how to set up the 15 meter ignite.